Hello kids, good morning all of you. How are you all? Fine. Okay, I am also fine. See, today we are going to learn a new things. Do you know what we are going to learn? We are going to learn our helpers. Do you know our helpers means what? Our helpers means a people who help in our daily life. For example, do you know the milkman? You drink milk. Yeah, you know na. Said every day in the morning you drink milk. So who bring that milk? Do you know? Yes, very good. It is a milkman. So today we will learn about helpers. Not only milkmen, but there are many people that help us in our daily life. When you are sick, okay, जब आप बीमार पड़ते हो, when you are sick, then where we go? We go to the hospital. So when we go to the hospital, do you know who treats you? Who give you a medicine? A doctor. Very good. A doctor give you a medicine and you get quicker, you get fresh. So doctor help you to give medicine and you feel good. So there are many people that we will learn one by one. Okay, I will tell you and you have to listen and you have to give me the answer. So one things we have learned milkman, doctor. Now another things. Who am I? Yeah, I am a teacher. So what I am doing with you? Oh, I am teaching you. Yes. So what does a teacher do? Teaches you means read and write. Teachers make you read and write. Understood? Now another things that can anyone tell me that another one person can help us? Okay. Tailor. Do you know tailor? Who is tailor? Oh, are you wearing this cloth? Okay, you are wearing clothes. So do you know who stitches these clothes? Do you know that tailor is stitching our clothes and we wear nice clothes like shirt, pant, skirt, frocks. So we wear different types of clothes. So who stitches? The tailor stitches our clothes. Understood? Now another person that is a nurse. Do you know nurse? When you go to the hospital, that one person is helping to the doctor. So they are nurse. Nurse help us to take care of everything. She gives medicine and injection. So she take care. So nurse help us to the doctor. So taking care of us. Another person we will learn that a firefighter. Do you know the firefighter? आपको पता है firefighter कौन होते हैं? Firefighters are that when there is a fire, that they will come in a that fire जो फायर वैन होती है ना, वो फायर वैन लेके आते हैं एंड पुट आउट द फायर विद द होस पाइप. वो वाटर जैसा वाटर लेके आते हैं, वाटर में से पाइप होता है तो वो पाइप से फायर को बुझाते हैं. सो पुट आउट द फायर. सो फायर फाइटर पुट आउट द फायर. Another person is, do you know, another person is postman. Have you know about the postman? Nowadays we are not using the postcard, but before the people are using post. They are just writing a letter and posting in the post box. And postman come at all the places and postman gives the letters. So postman bring letters for us. So nowadays we are using mobile. So postmans we can't see. But somewhere still courier boy. Matlab they will come to our home and give some courier. So postman and courier boy both are same. But nowadays a postman we can see not more but less we can see. Post office you can see You can go there. You can put the letter inside in the post box, and the postman take out the letters, and he will deliver the letters at each and every places. And now another things, that another person, do you know? कौन बताएगा? Who will tell me? Yes, policeman. Policeman, everybody can see police, है ना? Everywhere police. So what does a police do? Police do what? Oh, very good. He catch the thieves and protect us from robbers. Do you know who is robbers? Robbers मतलब चोर, जो हमारे घर पे चोरी करने आते हैं ना, उसको कहते हैं robbers. So robbers. So police catch the robbers and protect from the robbers. Okay, so do you understand police? Yeah, very good. पुलिस क्या करते हैं? हमको चोर से बचाता है, और जो हमारे साथ लड़ाई झगड़ा करते हैं ना, तो उनसे हमको वो बचाता है. Do you know the police number? If any emergency, so we call 100. 100. We call 100. So police will pick up the phone and they will reach our place. So policemen help to catch the thieves and robbers. So all of you understand? So there are many people who help us in our daily life. See, now we will learn a poem of our helpers. Are you ready for that? Ready? Okay, so I will teach you a poem. Okay, chalo. Now let's see. Who is this? Can you? Yes. So now we will start a poem. Hello, Mr. Firefighter, firefighter, what do you do? I put out the fire that might hurt you. Hello, Mr. Firefighter, firefighter, what do you do? I put out the fire that might hurt you. Hello, Mr. Traffic Police, what do you do? I control the traffic and let you go. Hello, Mr. Traffic Police, what do you do? I control the traffic and let you go. Hello, Miss Nurse, what do you do? I take care of you and make you feel good. Hello, Mrs. Nurse, what do you do? I take care of you and make you feel good. Hello, Miss Teacher, what do you do? I'll teach you read and writing and make you future best. Hello, Miss Teacher, what do you do? I teach you read and writing and make you future best. Do you understand this poem? Okay, we will repeat after, okay? You have to repeat after me again. All these poem. Thank you.